Rar. Rar.
You're gonna jump from there?
No.
Ready for the great adventure?
Happens you do.
Anita, dinamita. What have you seen? Poop. Poop. Oh my god, the bird poop. It's very cold. Oh my god, I wanna try. Oops. You're gonna jump from there?
No.
And guys, these routes are from the tree named Alamo.
Y en cada cenote encontramos este árbol que es el álamo. Dice que cuando se encuentra este árbol antiguamente hay un 85% que abajo tenga agua.
Okay.
Antiguamente los mayas descubrían lo que eran los cenotes a base de ese árbol. Porque para temporada de seca, pues todos los árboles morían y ese árbol es el único que quedaba vivo. Esa no es la entrada, esta no es la entrada. Bajaban por lo de la rama de los...
So this is the natural entrance to Cenote, where ancient Maya were coming, and this one is artificial one, made just for us to enjoy the cenote. And in this cenote you can jump from this platform, or if you are brave enough you can jump from there. It's about 5 meters and here's about 2 meters. And those two are enjoying cenotes very well. You wanna jump again? Oh my god, you're crazy. How is the jumping?
Nice.
Which cenote you prefer? The first one or this one?
This one.
Why?
I can jump.
And you love to jump.
Yeah, but it's cold water.
It's but really, really cold. The first cenote that it's so cold, but it's so cool then. So guys, I'm filming it from the end of Cenote, and here you have the jumping platform. You can jump from 2 or 5 meters. This cenote is pretty big and have some nice rock formations, but the water is really cold. And the winner is... Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who will come first to me? Guys, when you're visiting those cenotes, you can come with your food and drinks because there are so many places to enjoy it. Hi baby, how are you?
Good. Oh my god.
How it was? You can't see anything, right?
No, I can't.
Oh my god. But it's really well prepared. Guys, in this cenote you can see the hands of ancient Maya because for them cenotes were like temples and the entrance to another world. So when they were when they were wedding for their weddings, they were coming here and putting their hands there, and you can see it.